If your safety officer resume is getting rejected again and again, then the problem is not your qualification, the problem is your resume format. In this video, I will show you the correct ATS-friendly safety officer resume, how to download it, and how you can get your resume shortlisted. Let's get started. Today, most fresher safety officers make some very common mistakes. They download random resume template from Google, they use colorful and fancy designs, and they do not include proper safety keywords. Because of this, their resume never reach HR and they don't get interview calls. Now let's understand the most important concept. ATS means Applicant Tracking System. It is a software used by companies to filter resumes. First, the machine reads your resume, then it shortlists candidates. After that, HR review it. If your resume is not ATS friendly, it gets rejected automatically before a human even sees it. Now the question is, why is ATS format so important? First, machine readability. ATS can only read simple text, not design or graphics. Second, keyword matching. If your resume does not include important safety keywords like risk assessment, permit to work, toolbox talk, PP and incident investigation, your resume will not match the job requirements. Third, high competitions. For one job, there can be hundreds of applicants. ATS filters only the top resumes. Now, let's see the difference between a wrong resume and a right resume. A wrong resume has colors, icons and fancy layouts. A right resume is simple, clean and well structured with clear headings and bullet points. A simple resume always performs better. Now I will explain the perfect safety officer resume structure. Start with your name and contact details, keep it clean and simple. Then write a professional summary, keep it short and strong. Next, add technical skills. Make sure to include keyword like risk assessment, PTW and toolbox talk. After that, add your certifications like NEBOSH, IOSH or OSHA. Then include your experience or training. If you are a fresher, you can add your internship. Next, add your projects, especially safety related projects. And finally, include your educations with your latest qualifications. This structure is simple, professional and works perfectly with ATS systems. Now here is something important for you. I have created this complete resume template for you. It is in Word format and PDF format, fully editable and 100% ATS optimized. You can download it from the link in the descriptions. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the HSE Coach. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.